Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check if a website is legit or a scam. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's say we'd go head over to google.com. Okay, hit on enter. But as you can see here, or you might have noticed, besides the address bar, you have this icon. So you're going to want to click on it and just check if it says here connection is secure. If it is, you're going to want to double check as well. Just click on connection is secure. And it says here certificate is valid. Okay. Well, that means that the website complied with the necessary certifications. You can go ahead and click on this option as well and check the details. Okay. Also, you can make use of third-party websites that can check if a specific website is secure or not. Okay. You can go ahead over to your browser and type down website checker like so. As you can see here, we have a ton of tools right here. For example, from this website. So let's just go ahead and type down the entire URL. And by the way, when it got HTTPS, it is secured. If it's only HTTP, dig deeper. Okay. Go to this website right here, Control V, check scam. And as you can see, you'll be able to see the trust score here as well. And when you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see a ton of details as well. And do take note that some other scammers, okay, will change some letters right here. For example, google.com, they may use G00, okay, GLE. Keep that in mind. For example, facebook.com, they may change one letter to 0. Or for example, Amazon, they may change A to 4. So again, just to keep that in mind. All right. And there you have it. That is how you check if a website is legit or scam. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.